Imagine being part of a massive data breach and discovering that you could be entitled to a significant payout. Yes, you read that right. Former and current customers of AT&T may be eligible to claim up to $7,500 as part of a settlement related to two substantial data breaches that have raised serious concerns about data security. Earlier this month, AT&T announced a proposed settlement amounting to a staggering $177 million. This for includes $149 million allocated for the first class action lawsuit and an additional $28 million for the second lawsuit. But what led to this settlement? The first incident, which came to light in March 2024, affected a whopping 73 million individuals who had accounts with AT&T. Of past and present, hackers managed to infiltrate the system and steal sensitive personal information, including birth dates and social security numbers, which they then disseminated across the dark web. This breach raised alarms about the safety of personal data in the digital age. Then, in July 2024, a second breach was disclosed, which compromised the call and text records of nearly all AT&T customers. This time, hackers downloaded these logs onto a third-party platform, further exacerbating the situation. As it stands, the proposed $177 million settlement is pending approval, with a final hearing set for December 3rd in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas. So, how can you determine if you qualify for compensation? If you are a current or former customer whose data was compromised in these breaches, you can file a claim before the December hearing. Eligible individuals will receive an email notification from @settlement at emailksa.com, which is managed by Kroll Settlement Administration. If you're uncertain about your eligibility, you can reach out to KSA at 833-890-4930 for clarification. Now, let's talk about the claims process. To secure your compensation, you'll need to complete a claim form available at telecomdatasettlement.com by November 18th. It's important to note that by filing a claim, you relinquish your right to pursue further legal action against AT&T. What kind of compensation can you expect? Those affected by the March 2024 breach may claim up to $5,000 for losses incurred from 2019 onward. If you were impacted by the July 2024 breach, you could receive up to $2,500 for losses that occurred on or after April 14, 2024. For those who experienced both breaches, there's an opportunity to claim up to $7,500 as part of the overlap settlement class. However, AT&T will require documentation to substantiate that your losses are directly linked to the data breaches. As for when you might see your payment, it's likely that payouts won't be distributed until the end of the year at the earliest. However, if there are any appeals following the December 3rd hearing, it could take even longer. Additionally, processing the claim forms will also require some time, as indicated on the settlement claims site. This situation raises important questions about data security and consumer rights. Are you concerned about how your personal information is being handled by large corporations? What steps do you think should be taken to prevent such breaches in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below.